Okay, let's have a look at question 3. Question 3, example 3, question B. So for the structure, it is known that the modulus of rigidity, so as I said before, it can be either modulus of elasticity or modulus of rigidity. So modulus of elasticity is the name used in the case of normal stress, in which that modulus of elasticity is written as E. E is for elastic. And modulus of rigidity is in the case of shear stress, and it is written using this G. Okay, so but in torsion we don't use this because the stress is not normal stress, the stress is shear stress, so we use G. So modulus of rigidity, it is that modulus of rigidity G for aluminium and brass is G aluminium equal to 30 GPa and G brass is equal to 40 GPa. So this is AB is aluminium in the question. It is not mentioned in the question, but actually the AB is aluminium and BD is brass. Okay, so that the main angle of twist between A and B, which is phi A and B, and angle of twist between B and C, which is phi BC, and also phi CD, and determine the total angle of twist of A. Okay, so you know that the equation to find the value of phi is equal to T L over J G. So for phi at AB, between A and B, you have to use the torque at AB, and length also at AB, J also at AB, and G also at AB. Okay, similarly for phi at BC, you have to change torque at BC, length at BC, J at BC, and G also at BC. So all the same thing applied for CD. Okay, and for the angle, the total angle of twist at A, you have to use the summation of angle of twist. So it will be T AB plus LAB over JAB, GAB plus TBC, LBC, and so on. So we put SI here. TI, LI over JI, GI. Okay. So let's move to another slide so that we have a plenty of empty space to write down our answer. So this is the cross section of BCD and this is the cross section of AB. So for question number 1, B1. So phi AB is equal to TABLAB over JAB times GAB. Okay, previously we have determined that at torque AB, the internal torque at AB is equal to 700 Newton meter. Internal torque at BC is equal to 2200 Newton meter, and internal torque at CD is equal to 2200 Newton meter. We also have calculated in the previous video that JAB is equal to 7.952 times 10 to the power of minus 8 M4, and J BC equal to 1.272 or 71 times 10 to the power of minus 6 m4, and JCD is equal to 1.021 times 10 to the power of minus 6 m4. And we also know that GAB is equal to G aluminium equal to 30 GPa, and GBC is equal to G brass equal to 40 GPa, and GCD equal to G brass equal to 40 GPa. Okay, so we put into the equation. So torque AB is 700 times length of AB. What is the length of AB? Uh, 520 millimeter. So 520 millimeter. So the length of AB is 520 millimeter. So we write here. We draw here. This is AB. So this is 520 mm from here to here. And then from B to C is 400 mm. And then from C to D is 250 mm. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. C, B, A. So back to here, phi of AB is equal to 700 Newton meter times L, which is 0.52 meter over JAB. So JAB is 7.952 times 10 to the power of minus 8 and 4 times GAB. GAB is 30 times 10 to the power of 9 Pascal. So if you calculate using your calculator, you get 0.153 radian. So question B2, you are using the same equation, which is phi BC is equal to TBC times LBC over, this is B, JBC times GBC. So torque BC is 2200 Newton meter, this one, times length BC, which is 400 millimeter, is equal to 0.4 meter over JBC, 1.272 times 10 to the power of minus 6 m4 times GBC equal to 40 GPa. So calculate this, you will get the answer. And for B3, maybe we can use here B3. So you use the same equation, CD, phi CD is equal to TCD times LCD over, this is C, JCD times GCD. So torque CD is equal to 2200 Newton meter times length is 0.25 meter because it's 250 millimeter, divide by JCD is 1.021 times 10 to the power of minus 6 M4 times GCD, which is 40 GPa, and then you will get the answer is 0.13 radian. So what is the value of this? So from my calculation, I got this value is 0.017 radian, 0.172 radian. Okay, so the total of, okay, so question B4, so the total of angle of twist at point A is phi at AB plus phi at BC plus phi at CD. So you will get as 0.153 plus 0.017 plus 0.013. So the answer is 0.01. 0.153 plus 0.0172 plus 0.013. So it is equal to 0.183 radian. Okay, so if you want to change into degree, so you have to change this to degree. You get 0.813 radians times 360 degree for 1 to 4 over 2 pi, because 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So you will get 2 pi 360 times 0.183. So you will get it is around 65.9 degree, or this is the answer, 1.83 radian or 65.9 degree.